not the words I want you to hear from you. It's not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew how we say it would be to show me how you feel more than words. It's all